Hello all beauties, happy Ramadan, how are you all? I'm back with a new tutorial which is for Eid night makeup. If you want to see how I create this, then please keep on watching. At first I'm priming my eyes with this eyeshadow primer, and I already draw my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm going to set my primer with this powder. I'm using this palette from Tarte. With the gel eyeliner, I'm trying to make a thick line. So here I'm not making any even line, just a base. Because after that I'm going to blend it with a smudge brush. Now I'm blending my eyeliner with this smudge brush, and I'm not using any eyeshadow. From that palette I take the black color and using the same brush to blend it. And I know at this stage it looks so scary, but believe me, when I'll finish my total eye look, I hope you'll like it. As my transition shade, I'm using this color and I'm blending this black and transition shade together so there will be no harsh line.
Friends and families all joined together. Smiles are left all around to shine it through. Let's make this day a day to remember.
Applying this color top of my black eyeshadow, so it will give me a purplish look as I wanted. Now I take my second color to blend everything together. I'm drawing a line in between my mobile lid and inner crease, and for that I'm using a copper color eyeliner. Now on my inner corner of my eyelid I'm using this golden shimmery color eyeshadow, and on my middle part I'm using pink and magenta and also a little bit touch of purple shimmery color, and here I'm blending my golden color and this purplish color together so there will be no like edges. Applying second layer of eyeliner to make it more obvious.
Salutation, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Such a great day for everybody around the world. It's time to celebrate.
Applying purple color eyeshadow to make sure my outer third and middle part eyeshadow looks more blended. Moving to the face part, as I already applied my moisturizer before doing my eye makeup, and today I didn't apply any kind of sunblock, so directly applying my face primer to prime my face.
Friends and families all joined together. Smiles are left
I forget to highlight my brow bones. So now I'm applying my foundation with my fingertip, and for any kind of liquid product I like to blend with beauty blender. And I have to say something here, because here already winter started, so maybe on next tutorial I will upload makeup tutorial on Eid just on summer season, because I know in Bangladesh it's very hot season. So stay tuned with my channel. I will try to upload another video for Eid summer makeup, and I will try to make as simple as gorgeous as I can make it. So yes, stay tuned with my channel. To highlight my under eye, bridge of my nose, chin and also on my forehead, I'm applying this concealer, and with the same beauty blender I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to set my concealer with this powder. I'm not going to bake my face because already winter started and I don't want to look dry. So maybe just for 1 minute, maybe less than 1 minute, like how long it will take to contour my face by the time I will take it off. I would like to suggest those people who already has dry skin, try to avoid bake your face, because if you bake your face longer it might look more dry. To set your concealer, just use any compact powder or any loose powder to set. Today I'm not gonna do any heavy contour, just lightly contour on my cheekbones and my forehead and also on my jawline. Now I'm shaping my nose a little bit to make it more sharp. Dusting out all the loose powder from my face. Now I'm applying my blush on my cheeks. Now I'm applying that brown color eyeshadow to my lower lash line, and also I'm going to apply some coat of mascara to my lashes. Now I'm applying my lipstick, and look how badly I'm making my face here. Oh wow. Now I'm setting my face with this setting spray, and after that I will get a flawless skin. And now I'm applying a highlighter, and this highlighter is just like a diamond. It shines so gorgeously. It's so amazing. And also I'm wearing highlighter on my bridge of my nose and on my inner corner. And my makeup is done. Try to set my hair a little bit. Now I'm wearing my earrings. Normally I don't like to wear any kind of ornaments because it's bothered me a lot. So I try to avoid wear this kind of long earrings or necklace or neck piece, whatever it is. I don't like to wear it. So yes, here is my final look. If you like this makeup tutorial, then please give me a like, comment, and also share with your family and friends. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like this video. And I want to thank you, all of you that support me that much, because after I post that Poila Boishakh makeup, I get 800 subscribers, and I'm so happy, and I'm really thankful to everyone who is supporting me. And I'll see you with another tutorial. Till then, bye, take care of yourself, and again happy Ramadan to everyone.